How to see liked posts on Facebook. So first is to open the Facebook application. Then tap the three horizontal lines or your profile icon, which is found on the upper right corner. Now tap the gear icon or the settings icon, also found on the upper right corner. And then scroll down until you see this section, your activity. Select the first option, which is activity log. Tap the drop-down arrow button beside your Facebook activity, so you will see this option, comments and reactions. Tap this option, manage comments and reactions. So now in here, you will see all of your liked posts in your Facebook account. So the downside of this is that you cannot categorize your liked posts in photos, videos, or reels. So you will see all of them here. So all you have to do is scroll down. And so that is how you see liked posts on Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.